Commodore porch model. This is a 1-bedroom home. It's got a 6-foot porch. Hardwood hickory cabinets. This has a clerestory ceiling, so it's taller on 1/2 and gives you those extra windows up top to let in some natural light. Beautiful entertainment center. Gas stove, microwave, stainless steel sink, dishwasher. Furnace. This does have a washer dryer stackable. We did a walk-in shower in here. It's a 60-inch fiberglass shower with 2 seats. There's linen cabinets, porcelain sink. Goes right into the master bedroom. Has a nice closet here. This home is a 16 by 46 house with the porch.